Don't you just hate it when life gets in the way of training? There are so many things competing for attention these days. We can find ourselves running from work to appointments and not focusing on the things that really enrich our lives. But without our passions, our lives lack colour and meaning. We have to be ever vigilant to keep back the slow creep against the things that we love. Always make time for them. So that's training done, guys. Now I'm off to teach a private lesson, do some Chinese, hang out with my wife, and then go to work. Hope you have a good day. If you want to subscribe, like, all of that, see you guys.